And you are also the founder of two online offers. It's one is AFPA and the other one is AFJobs. Can you tell us a
So,
little bit about that?
yeah, so Afpal is practically a consultant agency for affiliate programs and affiliate networks. A lot of people are transforming from affiliate into affiliate program. They are running offers for a very long time, and then they invest the money in their own offer. They run it themselves. They see it goes very well, and then they say, "Hey, now I give it to some other affiliates." And when you give it to your 10 homies that you met somewhere, that's working. But for that it is enough. They understand enough how to set up the software and the tracking. And these 10 people, they can also pay out without like a tool. They just wire them or crypto or whatever. But then when they see there is a success, they want more. They don't want to have only their 10 friends. They want to have it like on a scale. And then they transform from this super boutique affiliate program or network into a general one. And then they need help. They need help how to set up their CRM system, not the CRM system for the clients. That's not something I help with, but the CRM system for managing the affiliates, how to make the marketing for the affiliate program that they trust you. I see so often people that are ending up on sign up pages from affiliate programs. There is not even like a homepage, there's just a sign up page. So if the people are not really coming over recommendation or you direct, they will never sign up there. Have at least like a homepage, a social media where you upload every 2 months something. Every 2-3 months, upload something on your blog just that they see there is like something happening.
Yeah.
That you have like a payout system that you can pay thousands of affiliates in the right way at the right time. What else is important? What promo tools you have to provide them, how to scale them, what to do if there is like fraud, how to prevent fraud. So there are tons of things. So I help them with all this kind of stuff. But there are also established affiliate programs, and they come for trainings of their affiliate managers. They say, hey, I'm sitting here on like 5 juniors and they have to reach the next level, and the affiliates are never replying, the affiliates are never starting, blah, blah, blah. So we work on this together. That's another thing that I do. And I have also companies as clients that are connected to the online marketing space, but not really the affiliate space, but they want to learn more about it. For example, payment companies. Payment companies come and they say like, okay, we offer payment solution to people that have affiliate programs, but we don't even understand the microcosmos. So I'm sitting with them for an afternoon and I show them how this is all connected. Here comes the traffic. It goes over the affiliate, over the traffic network to the affiliate, from there to the affiliate network. Then it goes to the offer owner, and then you come with your payment solutions. And this is how it functions. So this is the kind of consultancy stuff that I'm doing. Then I have the real educational stuff. This is practically the book that I wrote, the Affiliate Management Starter Kit. It's for people that are kind of new to this industry. They can buy this book, read it, and I also have the YouTube channel for affiliate managers connected to that. And I go to around 25 conferences per year to make like some speeches, to make some speeches and panels there to speak about these kind of topics. At the moment is my favorite topic, the future of affiliate management, because I see there like a very big transition. Data gets more important, automatization goes more important, and something that I need to speak more about this, but the data between network, advertiser, and affiliate get more and more merged. This is something that I see happening as well. So this is the other part, or this is also part of the business. So over the years, people were coming to me that were watching the content, or they knew me and they say like, hey, you make the speeches for affiliate managers. Do you know a good affiliate manager for me? Or they were coming and they were saying like, hey, I'm like watching your videos and you had there this affiliate program in the chat, or so. We want to work for a company like this. Do you have some recommendations? So I pair people left and right without getting something out of that, besides like a clap on the shoulder, what is all right. But then people started to practically monetize this arrangements that I did on scale. and nobody gave me a kickback.
Yeah.
So I had one guy that I actually wanted to have a master's in cash, but it was not like a match. And somebody needed for a completely different industry,
Hmm.
somebody like that. So I said like, okay, masters in cash would pay me a bounty. So I should ask this guy for a bounty. And they
Nice.
said, well, of course, here's the money. We are happy. So they took this person and I said like, okay, I make this now in the future for everything.
Yeah.
Because I travel now to so many conferences, I pay half of it myself. So a part is paid by Masters in Cash, of course. A part
Hmm.
is paid by the conferences or like sponsors, like I said, with Maxref, where I made this case study. But it still remains me with a lot of conferences where I just go to party or to make like one speech and it's like a small conference. They don't know me or they cover just the flight or just the hotel and so on. So I have to make this money also back.
Of course. Yeah.
And I started to charge for it. It was not a problem for anybody. And then with the time, it was growing into like a full-blown HR agency, what we are doing now. And they are working now people. I handed over most of the work there. They do an absolute fantastic job.
Yeah.
Every week I placed some people there and it's going really well. And what is else connected to AFPAL is I help with the education of affiliate managers over the affiliate world. So in the last three affiliate worlds that were happening, Budapest, Bangkok, and Dubai, we had like workshops for affiliate managers. There are up to 8 specialists and mentors that are teaching affiliate managers what is happening there.
Wow.
It's not only the best affiliate managers and program owners, it's also big affiliates that are speaking there about their experience, what they like, what they don't like, what incense they like. For example,
Hmm.
one guy said like, hey, I scaled this guy so much because they took me to my first Michelin star dinner. This is a guy that can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a Michelin dinner, and he
Yeah.
would not break a sweat. But he never made the effort to go there himself, go through the hustle of
Yeah.
reservation. And maybe he's like a humble guy, or he's a humble guy, but
Yeah.
most probably, no matter if he makes a million per year, he would, per month,
Yeah.
million per year would be not even that crazy, but million per month, if he gets a bill of 600 euros for a dinner, he would
Yeah.
freak out.
Of course.
So he said, man, this was such a nice experience. I had to continue working with them or so. So it's also nice to hear the perspective of the affiliates. Then are other guys that says like, I don't care about this fancy food like caviar and foie gras and God knows what and molecular cuisine. And I get 30 courses and I have to sit there 5 hours. Fuck that. Just give me a higher payout. So you hear the
Yeah.
perspective of all the affiliates. So this is practically the AFPAL stuff. And then we have AF as well. And AF is practically a board where companies are listing their jobs without our involvement. Our involvement is just to maintain the board,
Yeah.
promote the board, and also send like the newsletters. And we also make social posts about all the roles that are like listed there. And there we have also some interesting partnerships. So, for example, the Affiliate World Forum is sending out newsletters as well about all the jobs that we are having there. We have our own section in the Affiliate World Forum next to the affiliate management section that I have.
Makes sense.
So where we are posting all these jobs as well, that gives already a lot of reach. Then we make other partnerships, for example, with the Native Hub. This is, for example, like a very good partnership. We had with them a podcast as well about native media buying. And they are sending out the native ads jobs and the search arbitrage jobs and also candidates that are looking for that. So the people can get a lot out of this job board as well without paying the high fees to us. And I think especially if you have something that is related to media buying and to selling and buying traffic in general, this board will do a fantastic job. For other
Nice.
things, it's for really specialized stuff where you don't want to interview like 20 people yourself until you have one match. They come usually to us direct. So we offer both ways for recruitment.
Yeah. But on the AFPAL side of recruitment, you focus mostly on recruiting affiliate managers for the networks or also recruiting affiliates and media
No,
buyers for the.
no, I'm only focusing on the people working for companies because the finding of affiliates is not something that I want to do. That would take too much time. Yes, we have clients and we send them some guys and maybe there is like a commission involved, but there is nothing involved and we just do it because they are clients of us.
Yeah.
This is not something that that we provide. They said we need an affiliate manager. I said, here are 20 candidates. All of them are pre-interviewed. They want this. This guy has this advantage. This guy has this disadvantage, and so on. Which one you want to talk to? That is what we are doing there. And it's not only affiliate managers, it's of course also advertiser managers. We have some C-level guy, we have salespeople or sales jobs, of course, always the counterpart as well for like billing solutions, for hosting, for SaaS solutions, and so on. Yeah, and for all verticals. Now we started also with IT people. There we have now the first things happening as well because people are also asking us for developers, for CTOs. It's like a completely new challenge where we need also some help from outside because nobody of us is a programmer. I'm very sure that I can judge after 2 minutes if somebody is like a qualified affiliate manager or advertiser manager. And in 90% of the requests, I can also judge that with the media buyers.
Nice.
My team in the meantime as well. But when it comes to developers, they say like, hey, we need somebody that understands Go. So in the CV is written like, I work with Go. So, okay, here's like a match, but I cannot judge it. Is the guy really understanding this? Is he?
Yeah. Yeah.
By the way, the most requested thing, Go programmers. If you are like an IT guy and you're watching this and you don't understand Go, you should learn this.
We'll definitely put your links.
No idea what it's doing.
Yeah.
No idea what it's doing, but it's something that is highly requested.
Okay. Super interesting.